Joey Trevino. I'm the owner of Cool Choice Heating and Air Conditioning in Austin, Texas. I'm going to answer a few questions for you guys, and I guess just kind of tell you guys a little bit about myself and a little bit about my business. So I've been in business since I started Cool Choice in 2010. I actually started doing air conditioning though in 2006. I started working for Hvac, big commercial company here in Austin. Got my feet wet with doing big commercial, projects and bigger equipment. I moved on to refrigeration. I started working with Source Refrigeration. Started learning refrigeration. Like big grocery stores, big freezers, walk-in freezers. At the time, I was also going to school, so I learned how to do. I was learning the bookend stuff in school, and I was learning the hands-on stuff at work. So that's how I started. I ended up doing residential, and once I did residential, I loved it. I knew then I was like, this is it. This is something I finally found something that I really liked. So what do I like most about work? I just love the work itself. I love I get to be outdoors. I get to talk to I meet new people all the time. I get to talk to really nice people. I also get to work with really great people. I actually hired my father. And this year, I also hired my my cousin. So we're a family-owned and operated business, and we get to I get to work with people that I love. So I get to do something that I love, and I get to work with people that I love. So that's been really, really cool. Let me see. Challenges my business faces. The challenges that I face. Never anything technical. There's never anything like that. The biggest challenge for me is making sure that we have work. The guys have work, scheduling issues, things like that. Closing jobs, doing things like that. It's my responsibility as the business owner to keep the guys going. Keep everybody moving along. And we try to be as consistent as we can, and it's also my job to keep the continuity intact as well. So that's probably the most difficult thing with what we do. We could be really busy one week and not so busy the next, so it becomes challenging. Why is customer service important to me? Actually, I've got two beliefs. This is actually part of my mission statement, but two biggest issues for me are safety and customer service. Those are the two things that are the foundation of my business. I am obsessed with safety, not only for the customers, but for my guys as well, for myself. I just make it a part of my everyday ritual to, go over things, safety issues, customer service. I mean, you can't say enough about how important customer service should be. That's the backbone of my business. I don't have big advertising dollars, so I depend on people referring me, and people refer you if they like you. If you're really good at what you do, people they'll put your name out for you. So I'm really big on that. Technological changes I've seen in the HVAC industry. Just in the last couple years, it's almost blown up. Indoor air quality is a big issue now. It's a big thing. Energy efficiency, SEER ratings. It's changing for the better. I think it's changing for the better. Just products that people, the businesses are putting out are just amazing. Me personally, I love talking about it. I love talking to customers about it. I love reading about it. I just, it's one of the things that make me love what I do. I love it. I love the technology. I love the other side of it. Like I said, I'm a teacher. I teach my guys, and we kind of go over new products or technical things. And I don't necessarily try to teach our customers, but I try to let them know what's out there so that they can make, their own decisions. So, I'm really big on, on all of that. Core values of my business, again, safety and customer service. Those are the two biggest, things that I believe in personally. The other thing is, one of the reasons why I have my father working for me and my cousin working for me, I have a passion for what it is that I do. And I feel if you don't have a passion for what it is that we're doing, you really shouldn't be doing this. My father and my cousin, they share that enthusiasm with me. They have a feel for what it is that we're doing. They love the same things that I do. My guys, we love talking to our customers. We love doing the work. We're constantly communicating with one another. We plan, as my dad says, we plan our work and work our plan. So I'm one of the luckiest guys in the world. I get to do something that I love, and I get to do it with people that I love. So I think that's really cool. Let me see. Actually, my father did not. I did not follow my father. Actually, my father followed me. I took a class in college a few years back, and it was a career development class, and I had done certain things. I had an automotive shop. I had a construction business. I had done real estate. I had done certain things. Never really loved what I did. I liked what I did, but I never loved it. Well, I took this class, and it goes over, personality traits and beliefs and, everything. And it's actually like a self-assessment. And what I found out was when you're honest with yourself, and you answer them truthfully, you find out what you really believe in, and you find out what's really important to you. And one of the things was family. I'm really big on family. It's extremely important to me. So what I've done is I'm doing something that I can involve my family with, and I get to spend time with them. Think about it. I get to spend every day, or just about every day, with my father. How many people can actually say something like that? My cousin, like I said, he just got into the business with me, and I'm training him, and I get to spend time with my cousin. It's just amazing, So, there are other things about that class that I learned. I learned things about myself. One, I didn't like working inside. I didn't like. When I was a mechanic, I worked with my hands, and that was satisfying, and it's challenging as well, reading schematics and diagrams, but I was in one location. What I do now, I get to go all over Austin, Central Texas, and I'm always out and about, and I guess it satisfies me more than just being in one place. So there were a lot of things about that class, and it led me to do exactly what it is that I'm doing now. It led me to air conditioning, which is something that I absolutely love. I love what I do. I love the technology. I love the people that I get to meet. Like I said, I love the people that I work with. So I'm just a really lucky guy, and And that's it. So my name is Joey Trevino. I'm with Cool Choice Heating and Air Conditioning in Austin, Texas. Have a good one. Bye.